crafters, welcome to my channel. Raquel here with Paints and Glitter, and I'm coming to you with a collective haul today. I'm beginning here with items that I've picked up from Spellbinders, and these are from the Be Bold collection. They are the lemon zest die set. Absolutely stunning. I've picked up a few of these and I just thought the colors were just so gorgeous. So here there's this basket from Susan Tierney-Cockburn. I had my mind set on getting this die set, and I think it's very versatile, so I look forward to using that. And of course, yes, I do have links down below for your convenience for all of these items. These are the Birdhouse collection from Vicki Papineau. There are two missing in this collection, but I did get the little birds on the branch, and I got the Christmas set as well as the spring, but there are summer and fall sets also. Then moving along, I did get the Mente Golden Days collection, and this is a beautiful set of papers. I also forgot to share the chipboard stickers that I did pick up with this, but here you get to see the colors of this collection. There's this beautiful wheel here, and there's also some golds, there are burgundies, the light blue, there are these wood chip pieces and florals, just a lot of beautiful images and cut aparts that you can use. So I'm not a huge fan of the very bright oranges for fall, but this collection just really called out to me, and the little fox is just so pretty. So I look forward to sharing with you what I will be making with these products. These are double-sided papers. If you're not familiar with Mente, they're high quality, and there's this gorgeous burgundy and blue and more little frames here. So the colors coordinate beautifully, of course, with one another, and of course the scale of the patterns will vary. And so here I'm going to show you the difference. For instance, I just showed you the 6x6 collection, but here's the 6x8, and so you'll see the same kind of color hues and everything, but then the images are different. So here's a huge barn door. There are some wood plank pieces, some more florals, and some of these papers you can definitely get as a one-off, like 12 by 12 pieces. So if you're interested, you can definitely pick those up. And this one has different cut aparts here, so you'll see the variety. The big red truck is just so beautiful. And then here's this armoire. So you could definitely make like a big card with that, or maybe the cover of a mini album. So I will be sharing the projects, of course, as I mentioned before, created with these products, and I'm super excited to be able to work with these because I think they're just absolutely stunning. And then moving along, I wanted to share with you, I also picked up some other little items for the fall here. These cut wood shaped pieces, just like the paper that you saw from Mente, but this is from Marianne Creatables. I love her dies, and I try to collect little ones here and there. So including this hedgehog one here, I just thought it was so cute. So I look forward to working with this as well. And I wanted to let you know I'm leaving links below. If you like the hedgehog theme, check out my links because there are quite a few that I tried to share this time around, so that if you like that theme, you'll have a choice of items that you can pick up. And here from Emma is the Gingerbread Kisses collection. Now this is Christmas, of course, but I can't wait to share with you what I made with this. The design team just knocked it out of the park with these items, and they'll be back on the 17th of October, just to let you know. So moving along here to Tonic Studios, I did pick up the craft kit number 60. It has full-size Nuvo product, a glue pen, a shimmer pen that is just stunning, also Craft Perfect dimensional adhesive, and in this little package here there are more Nuvo products. I thought that this was a wonderful collection because of course it makes a mini album, but there's also an adhesive glue runner. There's a Dream Drop, full size, Moroccan Flame is the name of it, and I didn't share the little ribbon, but it does come with a Windsor check ribbon in this collection. You see kind of in that picture there a sample. And then here are the dies. This die collection is so pretty. It will allow you to make a shaped mini album, or of course you can use this to create other types of projects, whether it be 3D projects or cards. So I'll be sharing a sample pretty soon with that. So this one has a beveled edge, it has stippled edges, it also has embossed edges that will leave little hearts and flowers on your paper, and then it comes with little tabs that you can use as well, and it comes with a few sentiments and hole reinforcers as well. And I just thought it was so pretty. It's called Time Spent with Friends, so the sentiments and the stamps included with this do give you some choices there of little phrases that you can add to your pages or your tags and that sort of thing that are all in that same theme. And of course, it includes a little free sticker. So the cool thing about this kit is that it includes papers that will allow you to create a project right out of the box. So I thought Tonic Studios did a great job with that. Aside from that, every few months, I would say every 3 months, they include the binder, which is that little sturdier binder where you can fit that little wallet, and that's where you can keep your dies. So super cool. And then this time around, they added the papers in this wonderful folder. I hope they keep that up because I really like that. But look at the stunning colors here. You're going to get 2 sheets of the pearl gold vellum in this kit, and the shimmer pen and everything else coordinates. So here is that little pamphlet that I refer to that will give you a listing of all of the items included in your kit. So there are the names of the papers, so that way if you want to go back to the store and pick up a full set of them, then you have it handy and you know exactly what to refer to. So there's the pearl gold vellum, and then in this case there's also some of the classic card, and those are 4 sheets this time around, and that is called Ivory White Classic Card. It's about 80-pound weight, I would say. And then there is this gorgeous Cosmic Copper pearlescent card. So that is about 110-pound weight. Wonderful for either sentiments or just creating backgrounds or anything like that. And then in this kit, you're also going to get terracotta colored papers. This one's called Heart Pattern Sheets. And by the way, these are all 8.5 by 11 sheets, or maybe a little bit longer, come to think of it. But there's the heart pattern ones, and as you could tell, it's lighter on the other side. And then this one's called the terracotta pattern sheets. Sorry for fumbling with my words there, but really pretty colors for the fall. And then in this case, you're also going to get some smooth card in ivory, and that's at least 110-pound. And for the first time ever, Tonic Studios is including a full sheet of acetate, which is wonderful for shakers, of course. So I look forward to sharing with you what you can make with this. And also, the team is going to be doing a live demonstration, I believe on the 13th of October, for a project that you can make with this. And you can definitely follow along. So please come back. I will be sharing with you some projects with these items. And as I always say, I thank you so much for your time, for watching my videos. And last but not least, there was another little item here that I wanted to share with you guys that Anna White shared on one of her videos. So I want to say thank you, of course, to all of you who share goodies that then we can also pick up, and that is the Hero Arts Scrubber Block, and that's just to clean stamps. So I look forward to also using this. So thank you, Anna, and thank you all of you for watching. Be inspired and be blessed.